guys, in this video we will discuss problems on Gauss Seidel iteration method. Solve the equations 25x 2y plus 2z equals to 69, 2x plus 10y plus z equals to 63, x plus y plus z equals to 43 using Gauss Seidel iteration method. First write the conditions. As from this equation I am taking the x coefficient. Mod x coefficient is greater than or equal to mod 2 plus mod 2. Yes, this is true. 25 is greater than or equal to 4. From second equation I am taking the coefficient of y. Mod 10 is greater than or equal to mod 2 plus mod 1. This condition is also true as 10 greater than or equal to 3. So from this equation, if you see, if we take the coefficient of z, 1 greater than or equal to coefficient of y plus coefficient of z, then that is equals to 1 greater than or equal to 2. So this condition is false. So from these three conditions, first two conditions are true and the second condition is not satisfying. So we write it as these equations are not diagonally dominant. So Gauss Seidel iteration method is not applicable for these equations, as these three equations are, first two equations are satisfying but the last equation is not satisfying the conditions, so they are not diagonally dominant. So Gauss Seidel iteration method is not applicable for these equations. Here we go with another problem. Solve the equations 20x plus y minus 2z equals to 17, 3x plus 20y minus z equals to minus 18, 2x minus 3y plus 20z equals to 25 by using Gauss Seidel iteration method. First write the given equations. Given equations are 20x plus y minus 2z equals to 17, 3x plus 20y minus z equals to minus 18, and 2x minus 3y plus 20z equals to 25. These are the three equations. Let this be as equation 1, 2 and 3. So from this, if you write the conditions, as from this first equation I am taking the coefficient of x as mod 20 greater than or equal to mod 1 plus mod minus 2. Mod minus 2 nothing but it is 2. Then 20 greater than or equal to 3, which is true. Then from second equation I am taking the coefficient of y, that mod 20 is greater than or equal to mod 3 plus mod minus 1. Then 20 greater than or equal to 3 minus 1 is 1 because we are using the mod here. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. So 20 greater than or equal to 4, which is true. From third equation I am taking the coefficient of z as 20 greater than or equal to mod 2 plus mod minus 3. Then that is 2 plus 3, that is 5. Then 20 greater than or equal to 5, which is true. So therefore conditions are satisfied by three equations. From this equation write 20x is equal to 17. Send this plus y to the right hand side and minus 2z to the right hand side. Then it becomes 20x 17 minus y plus 2z. Then send the 20 which is multiplying by x to the right hand side and it goes into the denominator. That becomes x is equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus y plus 2z. Then similarly from the second equation, y is equals to 1 by 20 of minus 18 minus 3x plus z, and then z equals to 1 by 20 of 25 minus 2x plus 3y. Let this be as equation 4, 5 and 6. It starts with the first iteration. So at first substitute y of 0 is 0 and z of 0 as 0 in equation 4. Then we get it as x is equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus y of 0 plus 20 into z of 0. Then 1 by 20 of 17 minus y of 0, initially we are taking it as 0, then minus 0 plus 2 into 0. Then that is equals to 1 by 20 of 17. Then use calculator. First on the Calci and click on the fractional one, 17. Click the button, get the cursor into the denominator, enter the value 20. You got it as 17 by 20 and s by d 0.85. This is the value of x of 1. So here we are writing x of 1 since it is a first iteration method. Then y of 1 is equals to 1 by 20 of, use this equation, minus 18 minus 3 into x of 1. Now we got the value of x of 1 as 0.85. Then 3 minus 3 into x of 1 plus z of 0. Now that equals to 1 by 20 of minus 18 minus 3 into 0.85 plus z of 0 value is 0. Then that is equals to minus 18 minus 3 into 0.85 divided by 20. Now in the Calci, click on AC, fractional one, and minus 18 minus 3 into 0.85. Get the cursor into the denominator, enter the value 20. That is equal to minus 411.400. Then click on s by d, you get it as minus 1.0275. Z of 1 equals to 1 by 20 of, from this equation, 25 minus 2 into x of 1 plus 3 into y of 1, as we got the value of y of 1. Then that is equal to 1 by 20 of 25 minus 2 into x of 1, we got it as 0.85 into 0.85 plus 3 into minus 1.0275. Then that equals to, in the Calci, click on AC, fractional one, and 25 minus 2 into 0.85 plus 3 into minus 1.0275, and get the cursor into the denominator, enter the value 20. That is equal to, we got this value, and click on s by d. You get it as 1.0103, or you can take up to the 3 digits. Here we got the x of 1 value as 0.85 and y of 1 as minus 1.0275 and z of 1 we got it as 1.0103. Now here we go with the second iteration, as x of 2 equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus, from this equation, 1 by 20, 17 minus, here we take with y of 1 plus 2 into z of 1. Then that is equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus y of 1, we got the value as minus of 1.0275 plus 2 into z of 1, we got it as 1.0103. Enter the values. 17 minus, open brace, minus 1.0275 and close the brace, plus 2 into 1.0103. Get the cursor into the denominator and enter the value 20. That is equal to, you got the value as 1.002. Up till 3 digits is enough. Then y of 2 equals to 1 by 20 minus 18 minus 3 into x of 2 plus z into z of 1. Then that is equals to 1 by 20 of minus 18 minus 3 into x of 2 value we got it as 1.002 plus z of 1 we got it as 1.0103. Now enter the values in Calci. Click on AC to clear the data. Minus 18 minus 3 into 1.002 plus 1.0103. Get the cursor into the denominator. Enter the value 20. Then you got the value as 0.999. So this is a minus 0.999. Then z of 2 equals to 1 by 20 of minus 25 minus 2 into x of 2 plus 3 into y of 2. Now write the values. 25 minus 2 of 2 into x of 2 we got the value as 1.002 and 3 into y of 2 we got the value as minus 0.999. Now enter the values in Calci. Click on AC. The fractional one. 25 minus 2 into 1.002 plus 3 into minus 0.999. Get the cursor into the denominator. Enter the value 20. Then you got the value as 0.999. Then we'll go into the third iteration. X of 3 equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus y of 2 plus 2 into z of 2. Then that equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus y of 2 we got the value as minus 0.999 plus 2 into z of 2 we got it as 0.999. Now enter the values. Click on AC. The fractional one. 17 minus open brace minus 0.999 close the brace plus 2 into 0.999. Get the cursor into the denominator. Enter the value 20. You will get the value as 0.999. Then y of 3 equals to 1 by 20 of minus 18 minus 3 into x of 3 plus z of 2. Then that is equals to 1 by 20 of minus 18 minus 3 into x of 3 we got the value as 0.999 plus z of 2 we got the value as 0.999. Then that equals to, you will get the value as, click on AC, the fractional one, minus 18 minus 3 into 0.999 plus 0.999. Get the cursor into the denominator, enter the value 20 equals to, you got it as this, and click on S by D. Then the answer is minus 0.999. Z of 3 equals to 1 by 20 of 25 minus 2 into x of 3 plus 3 into y of 3. Then that equals to 1 by 20 of 25 minus 2 into x of 3 we got the value as 0.999 plus 3 into minus 0.999. That is equal to, enter the values in Calci. Click on AC, fractional one, and 25 minus 2 into 0.999 plus 3 into minus 0.999. Then get the cursor into the denominator, enter the value. click on S by D. So you got the value as this, and approximately you can take it as 1. Then we go into the fourth iteration. Then x of 4 equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus y of 3 plus 2 into z of 3. That equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus y of 3, you got the value as 0.999 plus 2 into z of 3, you got it as 1. Then enter the values here, click on AC. Then after fractional 1, 17 minus open brace minus 0.999 close the brace plus 2 into 1. Get the cursor into the denominator, enter value 20, got the value as 0.999. Similarly, y of 4 equals to 1 by 20 of 17 minus 18 minus 3 into x of 4 plus z of 3. Then that equals to 1 by 20 of minus 18 minus 3 into x of 4, we got it as 0.999 plus z of 3 is 1. Then enter the values in Calci. Click on AC. Then minus 18 minus 3 into 0.999 plus 1. Get the cursor into the denominator, enter value 20. Then also you got it as 0.999. Then z of 4 equals to 1 by 20 of 25 minus 2 into x of 4 plus 3 into y of 4. Here you get it as minus 0.999. Then here 1 by 20 of 25 minus 2 into x of 4 is 0.999 plus 3 into y of 4 is minus 0.999. Then you will get the value as, click on AC. 25 minus 2 into 0.999 plus 3 into minus 0.999. Get the cursor into the denominator, enter value 20. Click on S by D. You got it as 1.00025. Then that is same as 1. So here if you see the third iteration and fourth iteration, the values are nearly same. As x of 3 is 0.999, y of 3 is minus 0.999 and z of 3 is 1. In fourth iteration, x of 4 0.999, y of 4 is minus 0.999 and z of 4 is 1. So therefore third and fourth iterations are nearly same, or you can write it as nearly equal. Then here approximately we can take the values as 1. Here it is approximately equal to 1 and this equals to minus 1. So therefore x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 1 and z equals to 1. Thank you.